Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I'm still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I actually don't really believe this is like the top right here. I do believe that this is going to go up and make a new high. I think we probably are in a wave 5, but I don't really think the wave 5 is actually over. I think this is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in the wave 5 of wave 5 right now, which most likely will take out these highs before we get a bigger push to the downside. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is where you can kind of see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. But like I was just saying, I think this is actually the 1, this is the 2, this is probably all a 3, this is a 4, and we're probably in a wave 5 right now. So I definitely am looking for longs. I do expect that it will go up and take out these highs. Probably end up at least looking something like that. Probably the 100% Fibonacci extension would be a pretty likely area for this to end up someplace between the 154, 155 area to finish off this one uh, to finish off this wave 5, that is. Going down to the daily time frame, I do think that this right here was a motive wave correction, and I do think that correction is over. I definitely am looking for longs. I mean, I think the 78% will probably be a pretty good area of resistance, which is great for us because at the end of pullbacks is where I'll be looking to get in long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, I have this labeled as a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I actually think it may just be a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. Either way, I am definitely still looking for longs, and I definitely am going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Looks like we had a nice little ABC this morning. We had one wave down, we had a corrective wave up, we had another wave down, and then we had a nice impulsive turn to the upside. Very, very nice little end of a correction. I would expect it to at least go up and take out these highs. Hopefully, it does make another pullback at some point. Maybe after it takes out the high, it'll make a nice pullback because that would be great for us because that would give us an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend and continue to go long at the end of every single pullback that we see on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.